Welcome to the course. In this lesson, we'll explore an important concept. What is a virtual machine and why does it matter? A virtual machine, VM, is a software-based version of a computer that runs inside a real physical computer. Imagine having a second computer inside your main computer, running its own operating system, software, and files, but without needing separate hardware. So, why do we use virtual machines? There are several key reasons. Run multiple operating systems. You can use Windows, Linux, or even Mac OS on the same computer without reinstalling anything. Software testing and development. Developers can test apps in different environments without affecting their main system. Security and isolation. A VM creates a separate protected environment, making it ideal for testing risky software or even cybersecurity training. Cloud computing and servers. Many cloud services like AWS and Azure rely on virtual machines to power their platforms. A brief history of virtual machines. The idea of virtualization dates back to the 1960s, when IBM developed mainframe virtualization to allow businesses to share computing power efficiently. In the early 2000s, personal computer virtualization took off with software like VMware, VirtualBox, and Microsoft Hyper-V. This made VMs accessible to everyday users, from IT professionals to students learning new technologies. Today, virtual machines are everywhere, in data centers, businesses, and even on your personal computer. They power cloud computing, DevOps, ethical hacking, gaming, and more. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand how VMs work, but also how to create, manage, and optimize them like a pro. So let's dive in and get started.